In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list an item on Facebook Marketplace, your step-by-step guide to making money from the comfort of your own home with a focus on the shipping feature. So let's dive right in. To start off, you'll need to navigate to Facebook's homepage. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and log into your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu on your screen. Here, you'll see a lot of options, but what you're looking for is a tiny text link that says See More. Click on this link, it will expand more options for you to choose from. Among these, you'll find Marketplace. Click on Marketplace to enter the bustling hub of buying, selling, and trading. Now that you're in the Marketplace, direct your eyes to the left sidebar where you'll find a button labeled Create New Listing. Click on this to begin setting up your own item for sale. A new page will appear with a question asking you to choose your listing type. Here you'll see categories like item for sale, vehicle for sale, and home for sale or rent. For this tutorial, choose item for sale, as that's the most common and versatile option. Next, it's time to make your listing visually appealing. You'll see an option to add photos. Click this button and upload high-quality images of your item. Remember, good lighting and multiple views can make a big difference to potential buyers. Next on the agenda is to add a title to your listing. Make it concise yet descriptive enough for someone to know exactly what you're offering. Think about keywords that someone might use to search for your item. Once the title is set, you'll proceed to add price. Be realistic and do a bit of market research to see what similar items are going for. Don't forget, there's always some room for negotiation, but you want to start with a fair price. After setting the price, you'll select a category that best fits your item, which helps in organizing the marketplace and getting your listing in front of the right people. Moving on, you'll want to fill in the description section. This is where you provide more details about your item. Mention the condition, any features, and why it stands out. Keep it honest and clear. Once all these details are complete, you're almost at the finish line. Click on the next button and you'll be given a summary of your listing. Check everything over to ensure it's all correct. Finally, hit publish and your listing will go live. Now, you just need to wait for interested buyers to contact you. And there you have it, a simple, comprehensive guide to making money from